Let's take you to this matter now. Gauteng Health describes the 2022 Christmas Eve Boksburg tanker explosion as the darkest moment for the department. The department has unveiled a remembrance wall for the 12 Tambo Memorial Hospital staff members who lost their lives on that fateful day. In total, 41 people died when a fuel tanker exploded meters away from the health facility. Newzroom Afrika's Katleho Sekhotho reports.
The Tambo Memorial Hospital says this wall of remembrance means that those who lost their lives following the gas tanker explosion will never be forgotten. The hospital says it's been an ongoing journey of recovery for those affected and the institution.
Moreover, this memorial wall represents a commitment to remember and honor our fallen colleagues, not just today, but for the generations to come. It will stand as a testament of their dedication, serving as an inspiration to current and the future healthcare professionals. It reminds us of the values that are central to our profession: care, compassion, and the resilient pursuit of healing.
During her keynote address, Gauteng Health MEC remembered the moments when the incident happened on the morning of last year's Christmas Eve.
In those first moments, disbelief quickly gave way to the harsh reality of the situation. Our hospital, a haven of healing and care, was suddenly transformed into a scene of destruction and despair.
The health department says those who survived can find strength in knowing that they now do their work in memory of those who didn't make it.
With those that remain alive, because the responsibility, those that have demised out of that, they've done all they could have. Their journey is ended. Their names will be engraved in the stone.
Management at the hospital says there's been a full recovery on the side of infrastructure and services.
Before even New Year, we had started with the repairs, working together with the provincial government as well as the Department of Infrastructure. And the repairs were done very fast. By the 31st, all the repairs were completed.
From a psychological and general morale standpoint, the hospital says strides have been made.
You know, I can't say full recovery, but because we had some, psychological care from, people from outside, inside, psychologists and people from the church, we were given, time to say how we feel and how we behaved on that day. And they were very much supportive. Department of Health was there on the very same day. I as an individual, I would say we got a moral support, but healing will take time.
The hospital says it remains committed to the well-being and healing of all staff affected. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Katleho in Boksburg.